thing to help my community is bringing fresh water back to the village. Because what she say is that women go and collect water in the river. And the water that they go and collect in the river is not clean water. Cows go and drink water there. Elephants, name them, all the animals, zebras. But when they drink water deep inside the river. And once they drink the water, they pee. Mostly cows, they pee, they poop in the water. And then someone down the stream will collect the same water and take it back home. And most people do not have the knowledge. They are not being taught that drinking that water can cause diseases. So they will drink that water, and then they will, they will get a lot of waterborne diseases, which I don't think you guys get waterborne diseases here. They get amoeba, typhoid. In some dirty places they get cholera, and it can kill mostly the children. It can kill the children because of drinking that dirty water.